So you see, first pause means, also you see first pause and last pause belongs to, uh, can be is applicable only to the nodes, right? Just like nullable. So you see, first pause and last pause. So for every node, I should have first pause, right? So what is the first symbol which is possible when it comes to a given node? For example, in case of this node A, what can be the first pause? Meaning, what will be the possible alphabet which can occur if I choose A, or if I choose this particular node? Only A is possible. Or rather, we don't write A here, we write a position 1. So Firstpos is applicable to a node, but Firstpos will contain the positions, right? It is a set of positions. So only 1 is possible. What about B? Only 2 is possible, right? Because only B is present, right? And this B is belonging to the position 2. Okay. Uh, we'll understand it again. You see. What about this OR node? What will be the first pause? Now see, if I choose the left child A, then what will be the first of the symbol? Say if say we have this, right? At this particular node, what is the regular expression? We have simply this, right? So this belongs to position 1 and this belongs to position 2, right? Now, if I choose A, then what is the first of A? The first of A is 1, right? If I mean with the position, we'll not write A because we have A, B, B repeating there. So we'll use the unique position number. So this, if I choose only A, then 1 is the first. If I choose B, I may not choose A, right? I may choose B. Then what is the position corresponding to it? What is the first of B? It is B. So we'll take the position 2 here, right? So we can write the first pause is the collection of 1 and 2. Okay. What about the star node? For the star node, you see, whatever the first pause of this OR node is, we'll have the same first pause here. Because we do not have any child, we have only a single child. So the first pause of the child will be the first pause of the parent, right? Okay. Let me delete it. Now you see, okay. Now you see what is the first pause of this A node also is 3, right? Because this is a leaf node. The first can be only A. And what is the corresponding position of A? Here 3. So for this, the first pause is 4. For this, the first pause is 5. For this, the first pause is 6. So on the left hand side of each node, I have written the first pause. Okay. Now, what about the first pause of this cat node? Now you see, this cat node means here A or B star followed by A, right? If I consider this node, then this is the particular regular expression. Now you see, what can I choose? If I do not choose the entire thing from this regular expression, then what will be the first? Then only A is present. Then what is the first of A? The first of A is A itself. And what is the position corresponding to this A? It is 3. So first pause will contain 3. Number 1. Number 2, if I say, if I choose from this A or B, if I choose A, okay, and I do not choose the B, and I have to write this A mandatorily because this is cat. Now what is the first of this A? It is A, right? And what is this A? What is the position corresponding to this A? What is the position corresponding to this A? See, it is number 1. And the position corresponding to this A is 3, right? I hope you are understanding, right? This A and this A. So what is the first? What is the first position here? What is the first? This A is the first, not this A. So the position is 1. So the first pos of that particular node will also contain 1. What is the next thing? Next is, say from this entire thing I am choosing B followed by A mandatory. Now what is the position of this B? Is 2. What is the position of this? This is 3. So what is the first of BA? It is 2. I'll write 2. So the first pos will contain the entire 3, 1, 2. I can write these 3 positions are possible. Okay, you can see it from this diagram also. If I do not use this entire star, I can make it 0, right? I may not use it. Then the first will be 3. And if I choose from any one of these, right, this is odd, right? So either 1 or 2 can be the first. That is a 1, 2. Okay, what about this? See, these B. Now you see, just a second. Now what about that B? What is the particular regular expression corresponding to this node? It is like this. This is the regular expression corresponding to this node. Now you see, if I choose this A, then it will be 1. If I choose this B, it will be 2. And if I do not choose any of these star, then it will be the first, right? 3. And this 4 cannot be first because it is preceded by A leaf node, right? Always this A will be present before B. So I cannot make it null. If I cannot make it null, B cannot never be coming to the first, right? So the only possibilities are 1, 2, 3. So we'll simply write 1, 2, 3. Same logic goes for all of these nodes. So this will also be 1, 2, 3, and the root node will also have 1, 2, 3 as the first pos. Okay, I hope you understood.